You fucking man! I'm gonna kill you! Kill you! Susie, guess what? You'll find your dream car! Yeah?
Why price money?
I wouldn't talk about you don't know a 5 mil range with a looking a man.
Yeah.
Hey, go see her in our car! Come here, we have lunch, man. Come on, come on.
Alright,
Come on, here. How that the man the way I talk to? How that? Come.
Don't you see?
Driver, give me a stop there.
Why up here animal it don't get so much you can't stop here so.
No man, I feel we stop this man. Give me a stop.
No man, you can't stop man. Animal it here so man, me not stop here.
Alright, let me go yasso. Let me go yasso.
You want yasso?
Yes, right yasso
right.
man. Let me go yasso.
Alright,
Yeah man, give me a stop. That's man.
Come out
give me a
and
run man. Give me a run.
Animal town, you do bad. What animal town? Animal town.
Run him about.
Watch your foot, animal town.
Are you sure this is the way to the destination?
Yes, so it's just down the hill, man. Come in, man. Come through. Just down the hill, man. Just down some. Just down some. You know how long more me here for one of the people there.
I'm tired.
Come.
D, are you sure this is the way to the destination?
So yeah man, I tell you that already man. Come on.
Then why are you searching my bag?
Susie, me never have no intention to follow you over the car, here? You see? You have been mean to my heart. All the time me I show you, me love you, or me check for you. And all you do, you take. Well, you see, today, me I go take back everything. And not just your money, but your converted virginity too.
Steve, please, please. Please, Steve, stop. Please, Steve, stop. You're like a brother to me.
I like hearing you scream. And since you are down there on your knees, might as well you clean the rifle and make it up to me.
No, D, stop.
I love to hear it when you mourn and groan. Now call me baby. Call me baby.
Babes, no, not here, not now.
Yes. Alright, come clean the rifle.
D, stop. You're like a brother.
Now you want to make it up to me? How about cleaning my rifle? Right now.
Really, Damien? I thought we were friends. After all that we've been through. You tell me how much you love me. And now you're trying to hurt me?
Bitch.
Bumbacut! You caught me?
You know how long me forget the pussy, yeah? Think y'all?
You rapist!
Bitch! Must kill it. Punch me.
You're not a rapist, yeah?
Susie, you selfish, stubborn bitch! I'll get you and rip your pussy in two before this day is out. You hear me? It's alright, I'm gonna find you here, bitch. It's alright, I must find you here. Watch me and you when I find you, I must kill you today. I'll mash up your pussy. Ah. 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 Bitch! Oh! You fucking bitch! I'm going to kill you! Tell her say the girl named Susie, she just a go on like say she want to keep man in her friend zone. Yo, I this that girl there, this my star. Me I tell you. Yeah man, how you mean? You know her? Susie Reagan man.
Yeah, me know her too.
What you know about her?
What this man?
You go on date with her?
Date? The girl that must have all of my money. Them here about all of God. See,
I wonder what that's so.
Man, you know? Come on.
Like,
Have a lot.
get naked, yeah. Like,
Have a lot.
One life.
Have a lot.
bye girl, bye girlfriend.
Yeah, man.
And we are set to me. She няма something for you too?
Something get near me.
Yo, ready for some front now, in a man.
How are yourself, baby? Everything alright.
You know. Yo, that girl there. This shit is the whole money, brother.
Yeah, man, I this shit.
You know how much years you know she take my money?
I know me can't forget y'all now.
Ah, hear what? I just the other day she tell me say she want buy a car. Hear what, man? Me I make a plan, man.
Yeah, man.
Me have a place, man. Hear what? Me go tell her say me have a link where I go sell her the car and we go take away all our money and get back all our what we invest in her.
Ready,
You see me?
We have save me money.
Oh, you think that money alone? Tight me, God. Yeah.
No, man. We only saw when we really
She said we are going to take the money where she going to use by the car.
Right.
Split it for 3 hours. And we are going to take our split. Yeah. The virginity, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, just... When? No, we get the car. Alright. Listen to your car.
Yeah, man. My phone up. Me not make it go out, man.
Make sure you call me.
Look, that girl about she a virgin. Oh, she a last Jamaica virgin. Before you could have served the main course.
You wanted to taste it, so I take it for the experience.
You promiscuous slut.
Between your 2 legs is promiscuous slut. You are a rapist.
Hey, guys, shut up.
If it's money you want, he took the money. $15 million.
What you say? 15? Man, don't cut the fuck from here, man. Yo, if you want the money, I don't tell you where the money is.
Where there? How you do? I'm going to say you have the money. Where there?
Where money? Man, don't cut the shit, man. You not see I set the girl setting up. Yo, we're going to get the money and the pussy. When a girl name out your money, grab her by the pussy.
You guys don't have to do this. Please.
Pull this out, me, yo.
Pull it.
We are. Remember.
Let this put you right there.
What kind of freaky thing are going on here?
Look back at you! In my car! Murder!
Shut up, bitch. Oh, you make them kill my friend there. Shit. My granny always tell me, say, don't pull bungle when I belong to me. You get exactly what you deserve. Thing say, no wild animal have a name them, yeah. Tim. And kill my virgin star. Can't believe. Dead man have no use for money. Yeah, me bingo. Alright, boy, Tim, thank you. Yeah? Alright. You see you, bitch? You see you, bitch? Anyway, no worry. Cut out our pussy.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run.
love it. Sure.
You get cut? Lord Jesus! Woo! 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 Jesus! Lord! What is the call for you? The police! Look at boy, run go call the police! One go get the police! Go on, go get the police! Go on! Don't worry yourself, you hear? That's what soon come here. Don't worry yourself, Pitney girl. Don't worry yourself. Ah! Jesus! Child, get the child. Wait. Get the child. Wait. Drink this. Drink this. Drink this.
Hi, Mr. Regan. I have get a report that you have been through a serious situation. I would like to know more details.
So, my co-worker is at work. We all planned to go and buy a car. And I thought he was taking me to buy the car. However, he stopped off in this lonely place and said, this is the way to the destination. Happily me, I trod along with him.
Sir?
Only to encounter that It was just a chop. They tried to rape me. They abused me. They did treat me all kind of way. And I ran until I meet this lady and she's trying to save my life.
Okay, I will go and check this out. I will leave Officer Brown right here. Stay to me while I go check out more.
Come, let me take you to the car. I'll ensure you're safe now, okay? Okay. Don't worry. Come, let me take you to the car. I'll ensure you're safe now, okay? Okay. Don't worry. How are you feeling, miss? Did you get raped? No. Luckily, I'm still a virgin. Good. So did they discover the other body? No, but I'm sure no one will survive such a fall like that. I'm gonna check with the other officer to ensure everything is going on. We're going, please. I'm not leaving. I'll soon be back. I'm not leaving. Don't worry. I'm not leaving, okay? I'm not leaving. Don't worry. Thank God this is over. But where's the female officer?
No worry, we will take good care of you.
Alright, ready? Slow motion, yeah, do Reds. I don't want a slow motion. One problem, water man. You stay.
Shit, you kill my fucking friends them. Want some money? Let me some money again. Show some money.
So much. Course. Main course? Yeah. No man. Ready,
You
your
have to
time.
stay in your character and
Your
stop
time.
laugh with we. That's our character.
Ready?
Wait.
Man.
Go now.
Man, you no cut the shit, man. Me tell you, me have the money already. We not gonna get the money and the pussy. You no see I set the man up.
One more time.
Help!
Stop looking at you, staring at the camera and stare.
Sweetie, not here. Not now.
No, voila.
Blood clot.
Yeah. I'll do it look like I come here, I come.
Then enough, no bar.
You listen to this stinking rapist!
Not that run there.
You selfish bitch.
Wait, no.
Let me get in the moment.
Alright, good. Alright, wait.
Lick a tongue, put lick a tongue on your lip. Come on. Hey, when the man I watch up on the TV, then for feel.
What this man do? You see him done, don't it?
No.
No, sir. Aya.
Ready.
Yo, ready for some front now, man.
No laugh. Go. Your sight and duck. Ready?
Just walk up to her and grab her.
Yeah.
Scream now, man.